My name is Paula Norsha Miranda, and I'm a current GSR, so graduate student researcher for YEDI. I would describe YEDI as a cohort of undergraduates who get to work in research projects that are really dedicated to youth equity. And what we have is that we have the faculty researcher, and then we have the graduate student level, and then in YEDI we have the master YEDIs, and then we have the YEDI scholars.
I'm Coco Auerswald, and I'm a faculty member here at the School of Public Health. I'm very honored to be the co-founder and co-director of Innovations for Youth. There's a lot of young people, students who come to work in my lab within YEDI and other labs who have actually never applied for any other research experience at Cal. So a lot of the students I work with have never had experience with research, but what they're bringing is something that I can't train them in, and that is their lived experience, their experience of being in their community, and the lived expertise that they have by being who they are in, primarily here in the state of California. And then because they have that, then I can give them the research skills to then bring that knowledge to make change for young people in California.
My name is Nicole Sears. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm studying microbial biology. Prior to doing research, I initially thought that playing any role in ending youth homelessness and learning more about youth equity would be something way out of reach and something that just honestly seems impossible. Something as important and big as youth homelessness is something hard to tackle. But through YEDI and through my research project, I've been able to feel like I can help make tangible change and learn more about helping youth experiencing homelessness.
When I was a sophomore in undergrad here at Berkeley, I was a YEDI scholar because I started on my project for the first time. And then after a year of being a part of the program, I was able to become a master YEDI. And so you also get to help the new YEDI scholars and still learn and benefit from the program. And now that I am a graduate student, I get to be the GSR level.
Through the experiences that students have at YEDI, the work that they do is really personal. It's not about isms or phenomena, or even though we are addressing social determinants of health, it's really about individual people, even if they're working on more upstream issues, whether they're going to be doing frontline work or policy work, they really understand the big picture and they're able to bring it to the individual level. And so because they have that broader perspective, and again, because they have been part of making a difference, they have positive energy around making change within really complicated systems. And I think that makes them super hireable, super attractive candidates for lots of different types of positions that are dealing with these types of issues and need really smart people who have huge hearts, tons of energy, and solid skills to work with them to make those changes.